Test drive the 2018 6 Series. The mission of the BMW 6 Series is to cover lots of road in a hurry while making you look and feel great, and is priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Come take a test drive today.